Once you're inside AzuraCast server, you'll then create your first radio station. Put some name. You can also add a description. You can edit it later. And also, if you have a website, you can add your website there. Now, for enable station broadcasting, leave it as the default one. Also, for the advanced station URL stub, they will be your folder URLs. And then choose if you want IceCast or ShoutCast broadcasting server. Now, leave the default options there because they will automatically create password. Also, you can set the maximum listeners for each station. You can also enable your DJs to connect remotely, and AzuraCast also has a song request feature. Other than that, just click save. Next is to create permissions for the station owner. Just click add permission, name it with the station's name so that you won't forget when assigning each permission to each station name. After that, you click save. Next is to create the user accounts. If you can see here, I have my own account and your account as the reseller. But what we are going to add is for the station's account owner. So we will just name it again, the name of the station, his or her email address, and then the role should be the permission that we added earlier. Now, as you can see, that user can now manage the station that we just created. So that is how you create a radio station, create a user, add permission to each user so that they can manage individual radio stations in AzuraCast. Please check also our other videos like how to create a playlist and then add the songs inside the playlist. Thank you very much for watching.